Eric and Eric here from Muskie Homebrew, and today we're brewing an IPA. Brewing beer. So we've got about 15 pounds of grains, and a shit ton of hop additions.
A lot of hops.
I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 ounces, not 10, of hops. So the other thing we're doing is we're experimenting with building our own water too.
Yes.
So we're adding gypsum, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, and calcium carbonate, which actually we won't be adding any of that, but it is on the list to add. And we also have pH strips and phosphoric acid to bring our pH down
if we
in our mash.
Screw it up.
And yeah, let's get started because we don't have much time.
We don't have a lot of time. We got
a brew fest later, so we better get started.
Oh yeah, it's 6 in the morning.
We'll go more into the recipe in a little bit, but first we're gonna start heating up our strike water. All right, kids, we're gonna count. 1 gallon, 2 gallons, twice gallons, 4 gallons. So we're gonna start with 4. 4 is a good number, and then we'll figure out the other 2 later.
Fuck it up.
Jesus Christ! Trying to kill me?
Yeah.
So we only have a 5-gallon pot to heat up our strike water with. So we added 4. We're going to overshoot it and hopefully add our 2 gallons to the mash tun. And hopefully we get it right and that we get it at 166 degrees. So then we can add our grains. Today we're going to, for the first time, build our own water using distilled water and add our minerals. The 3 main minerals we're going to use for this IPA is going to be calcium chloride, gypsum, and magnesium sulfate. The other thing we have to work with is phosphoric acid to control our mash pH and pH strips to test our mash pH. We want to shoot for 5.2. Also, we have a quick reference, since we've never done this before, a quick reference guide for grams additions per 5 gallons of RO or distilled water. And for an IPA, we'll be adding 7.5 grams of gypsum, 5 grams of magnesium sulfate, keep flipping them around, 2.5 grams of calcium chloride. From what I understand is when you build your water, when you have you're more heavy towards the gypsum, you're going to bring out more of the hop aroma and flavor, whereas if you are more towards the calcium chloride side of the spectrum, you're going to bring out more maltiness in your darker beers. So let's start measuring it out and add it to our water as it's heating up. So we're going to start out with our gypsum, 7.5 grams. Next ingredient is magnesium sulfate. We need 5 grams. 5.1 it is. The third and final ingredient is going to be calcium chloride. And we will be adding 2.5 grams of this. Check our temperature and maybe we can start getting ready to mash in. Other than that, that's adding minerals. So we initially pretty much almost boiled our 4.5-ish gallons. We still have a gallon and a half. Since our pot's only 5 gallons, we're just going to add it to bring our temperature back down. So we're gonna put it on in. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Drain the main vein.
Ugh.
I didn't put it in my gas.
That's good.
Yeah. I'm gonna run downstairs and get those thermometers.
Okay.
So they're easier to.
I'll stay here and watch the camera.
Yeah, you do that.
Oh. Check this out. NerdSense on Instagram is wanting us to answer some questions, so maybe we can do that today too. Thanks for the shout out, NerdSense. Bago 2 into Bago 1.
This is gonna be interesting.
Yeah. Alright. Mashing time. Feel like you got it mixed pretty well. So we got 1 minute until our 15-minute check, and at that time we're going to check out these cool little pH test strips and compare it to the chart, see where our pH is of our mash. We're also going to take a temperature reading, make sure our temperature is still on point, and keep a log of it in our brewer's log. So the instructions say to put the test strip in the solution for 1 to 2 seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and then wait 10 to 15 seconds after that, and compare it to the chart. Learning, yay!
We're pretty close to hitting a boil. We just got 7.5 gallons of wort out of our mash. Yeah, we're gonna add some hops, clean some stuff.
Eric is getting our first hop addition ready, and that is ½ ounce of Warrior, right? ½ ounce Warrior?
Yeah.
Yeah, ½ ounce of Warrior. And once we add that, we will start our boil timer and get this thing rolling.
Perfect.
Hey guys, what's going on? So this recipe is a Citra Amarillo IPA. We got bittering hop of Warrior, ½ ounce at 60 minutes, 1 ounce Amarillo and Citra at 15, 1 ounce Citra and Amarillo at 5, and 1 ounce Amarillo Citra at 0, plus the other 0.5 of Warrior, and then dry hop of 1 ounce Amarillo and Citra again for 7 days. That's easy. That's awesome. Yeah.
Yep. So there's literally 3 hops in this, but there's 7 ounces of hops. No, 7 ounces of hops.
Yeah. And by the end of this, it should get us a 6.4% ABV IPA. So we got our boil going, and we kind of forgot about our yeast. Eric was the one. Eric was the one to pick up the brew kit this time, and the brew shop that he went to actually had Omega Yeast Labs yeast. So we currently have and hold the West Coast Ale 1 OYL004 yeast slurry. So we've never used it before. I'm used to smacking one of these and then shaking it, but apparently we let it warm up, shake for 30 seconds, clean and pitch. So that's a little bit easier than the Y Yeast Labs, in fact. All right, so now it's time to add our 15-minute hop addition, 1 ounce Citra, 1 ounce Amarillo. If you guys could smell this right now, it smells delicious. Mm. Mm.
Here's my tiny foot. Oh, goddamn bad.
And we're back at 5 minutes left of the boil. We got 1 ounce Citra and 1 ounce Amarillo once again. So that's our timer for 0. So flame out, and now we add our last top addition. Man, these smell good.
That's so good. So good.
All right, now we're gonna start chilling our beer. So we're filling up the system with beer and hops. That side is hot as shit. I didn't think the whole thing would be one side cold, the other side completely hot, but it is.